Have you ever wondered, what if just one stock could completely change your portfolio before August? I'm not talking about gambling. I'm talking about companies that are dominating AI, cloud computing, semiconductors, and enterprise software. But here's the catch. One of the stocks in today's list is being ignored by many retail investors, even though Wall Street is quietly becoming more optimistic about it. And trust me, my number one pick today might surprise you. So don't skip this video, because missing even one company on this list could mean missing one of the biggest opportunities of 2026. Let's get started. Number 5, Micron Technology. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't NVIDIA getting all the attention? Exactly. That's why Micron becomes interesting. AI doesn't only need GPUs, it also needs massive amounts of high-speed memory. Without advanced memory chips, AI servers simply can't perform at their best. Micron has become one of the key suppliers powering this AI revolution. At the time of making this video, Micron is trading around its recent market range after a strong rally, and many analysts still expect earnings growth as AI demand continues. The bullish case: more AI data centers, higher memory prices, and stronger profits. The risk: if AI spending slows down or memory prices fall, the stock could become volatile. Personally, I believe Micron still has room to grow, but investors should expect some ups and downs along the way. Now here's my question for you. Would you buy Micron today? Or do you think the AI memory boom is already priced in? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's move to number 4, Broadcom. This company doesn't always get the same headlines as NVIDIA, but smart investors know something important. Broadcom quietly makes billions from networking chips, AI infrastructure, and enterprise software. As AI data centers continue expanding across the world, companies need faster networking hardware, and that's exactly where Broadcom shines. Its business is also diversified, meaning it's not depending on only one product. That's a huge advantage during uncertain markets. The bullish case: growing AI demand, strong cash flow, and continued expansion into enterprise software. The risk: the stock has already performed very well, so expectations are extremely high. Any disappointing earnings report could trigger a short-term pullback. My opinion: I still like Broadcom for long-term investors, although I wouldn't be surprised if we see some short-term volatility before another major move higher. Now, before I reveal number 3, I want you to answer something honestly. If you had only $1,000 to invest today, would you put everything into NVIDIA, or would you spread it across 5 different companies? Comment your answer below, because the next stock on this list might completely change your mind. Now, let's finally reveal number 3, AMD. For years, AMD has lived in NVIDIA's shadow, but here's something many investors overlook. The AI market is becoming so massive that one company alone simply can't meet all the demand. And that's where AMD enters the picture. Its latest AI accelerators are attracting attention from cloud providers and large enterprise customers looking for an alternative to NVIDIA. At the same time, AMD continues growing its CPU business for PCs, gaming, and data centers. So investors aren't relying on just one product. The bullish case: more AI customers, growing data center revenue, and improving profit margins. The biggest risk: competition. NVIDIA is still the clear leader, and AMD must continue proving it can win market share. Personally, I think AMD has one of the best risk-to-reward opportunities in the semiconductor industry. Now, we're getting close to the top 2, and honestly, these next companies are probably the reason many professional investors remain bullish on AI, despite concerns about high valuations. Let's move to number 2. Palantir Technologies. A few years ago, many people called Palantir just another hype stock. Today, those same people are paying much closer attention. Why? Because artificial intelligence isn't just about creating chatbots. Companies and governments need software that can actually organize, analyze, and use massive amounts of data. That's exactly where Palantir has built its reputation. Its AI platform continues attracting new commercial customers while government contracts remain a major strength. The bullish case: growing AI adoption, increasing commercial revenue, and expanding profit margins. The biggest concern: valuation. Many investors believe the stock already reflects extremely high expectations. That means even good earnings may not always push the stock higher immediately. But here's the twist: if AI spending keeps accelerating over the next few quarters, Palantir could still surprise Wall Street. And my number 1 stock is coming up next. Now it's finally time to reveal my number 1 stock to buy before August 2026. And yes, It's NVIDIA. Maybe you expected this, but before you click away thinking you've heard it all before, listen to this. Most people still think NVIDIA is simply a graphics card company. In reality, it has become the backbone of the entire AI revolution. Its technology powers AI data centers, cloud computing, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, robotics, and even the next generation of enterprise software. Every time a company invests billions into AI infrastructure, there's a good chance NVIDIA benefits. That's why demand for its AI chips remains incredibly strong. The bullish case: continued AI investment, industry-leading technology, exceptional profit margins, and one of the strongest balance sheets in the semiconductor industry. But let's stay realistic. No stock goes up forever. NVIDIA's valuation is already high. If growth slows even slightly, the stock could experience sharp pullbacks, and that's completely normal. My personal opinion? If I had to build a long-term AI portfolio today, NVIDIA would absolutely be one of my core holdings, but I would never put all my money into a single company. Diversification always matters. So here's my final ranking once again. Number 5, Micron. Number 4, Broadcom. Number 3, AMD. Number 2, Palantir. And number 1, NVIDIA. Now I want to hear your opinion. If you had $10,000 to invest today, would you buy NVIDIA? Or would you choose another stock from this list? Tell me in the comments because I genuinely want to know what you think. If you found this analysis valuable, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Every week I share research-based stock analysis designed to help you stay ahead of the market, not chase it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.